What's up and welcome back, this is DF Test Channel. Today Nubia Z20 Hands on, and first look, it's really best and beast phone, maybe ROG 2 killer. Yeah, this phone specs really best and beast. First overview the phone. This handset features two AMOLED displays on both sides. On the front, there's a 6.42-inch AMOLED unit with an FHD Plus resolution and 430 nits brightness. On the back, there's a 5.1-inch HD Plus screen with 330 nits brightness. Both cover 100% of the NTSC color space and offer a low blue light tech for eye protection. The screens are protected by sapphire glass. Both support AOD that is highly customizable. There are two fingerprint sensors on each vertical frame of the handset, and two receivers above each. Is based on a Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset with 6GB per 8GB of RAM and 64GB per 128GB per 256GB per 512GB of storage. It supports dual-band Wi-Fi 802.11 AC, Bluetooth 5.1, dual GPS, L1 per liter 5. The handset is powered by a 4000 mAh battery with QC 4.0 support and 27W fast charge. It runs on Android 9 Pie with Red Magic 2.0 OS on top. The camera department includes a triple shooter module on the back of the handset. The main camera packs a 48MP Sony IMX586 sensor with an f/1.7 lens and OIS, capable of 8K video recording, 10x. Let's watch 30x digital zoom. How is work and camera look? Watch now.